Hello everyone, so for this video, let's talk about the second part of finding the area under the standard normal curve. Okay? To begin with, recall lang natin na yung standard normal curve ay symmetrical. Meaning, yung kalahati is, pag hinati natin siya, equal sila. So 0.5 sa kabila at 0.5 sa kabila pang isa. Okay? So let's start with some examples. Okay? So first example is find the area to the left of z is equal to negative 1.21. So let's locate muna kung nasan si 1.21, okay? 1.21 is located at the left of 0. Okay, so this is, nandito siya. So negative 1.21. So let's create lang an imaginary line. And ang sabi, to the left of negative 1.21. So this is the negative 1.21 papunta sa left niya. So, mula dito hanggang dito. So, yung hinahanap nating area is ito. Okay? Ngayon, we know na kapag meron tayong z, hahanapin natin sa z-table. Okay, so negative 1.21. So, yung 1.21 here is ito si 1.2 and then si 1.001. So, makikita natin na 1.21 is 0.3869. So, ngayon, ano tong 0.3869 na to? Ito yung area from 0 to z. Yung z natin is negative 1.21. So, area siya ng mula sa 0 hanggang sa negative 1.21. Ito yung part na yon. Okay? So, this one, itong red part na to, ito yung 0.3869. Ang kailangan natin is yung blue part. Okay? So, this here. So, ano yung area natin dyan? We know na yung kalahati is 0.5. So, ang gagawin natin is 0.5 minus 0.3869. This is 0.1131. So, this is your area. And next, we proceed with the second example. So, according to this, we are going to find the area to the left of z is equal to 0.54. First is relocate kung nasan si 0.54. So, dapat nasa right siya since positive siya. So, nandito si 0.54. And then, let's shade lang yung part na yon. Okay? Left daw. So, mula sa 0.54, papunta dito sa left. Okay? So, yan. Shade na lang natin sila. There. Okay? So, ngayon, ito yung hinahanap. We know na kapag given again tayo ng z, hahanapin lang natin siya dito sa table. So, 0.54 is ito. So, 0.2054. So, ano tong 0.2054 na to? Itong 0.2054 na to is yung area from 0 to 0.54. So, itong part na to. Mula dito sa 0 hanggang dito. So, ito. Ngayon, ang kailangan ng nating area is mula dito hanggang dito. Okay? And we know na yung kalahati na to is 0.5. That is why we have to add 0.5 dito sa 0.2054. And meron tayong 0.7054. This is your area now. Area is 0.7054. So, from this, no, we can observe na kapag halimbawa, yung shaded area natin hindi kasama sa 0, mina-minus natin siya. Okay? We use the subtraction. Pero kung kasama si 0 sa shaded area, ina-add natin siya. If that's the case, let's try or let's test, no, dito sa pangatlo at pang-apat na example. So, pangatlo at pang-apat na example naman is to the right of z. Okay? So, third example, we're given or we're asked to find the area to the right of z is equal to negative 0.41. So, hanapin natin si 0.41 sa table and ito yung area niya. Okay? 0.1591. Ngayon, ilocate natin muna si z. So, negative 0.41. So, nandito siya. So, ito ngayon, yung part na to, si negative 0.41. At sabi, to the right, so, mula dito, papunta sa right. Okay? So, shade natin. makikita natin nakasama si 0 sa nashadean. Itong part na to. No? So, kasama sa 0, that means, i-add natin si 0.5 sa nakuha nating area dito sa table, which is 0.1591. That is why ang area natin is 0.6591. And next, we have the fourth example. So, find the area to the right of z is equal to 0.12. So, ilocate muna natin si 0.12. So, nandito si 0.12. So, pwede natin siyang lagyan ng ganito. Ang hinahanap natin is mula sa 0.12 papunta sa right. Okay? So, i-shade natin yung part na yon. So, ito yung hinahanap natin. So, makikita natin dito na hindi naka-shade si 0. So, what do you expect? So, kailangan nating i-minus. Ang kailangan na lang nating part is ito. Okay? Ang ilalagay natin dito is kung ano yung nasa table. Okay? So, 0.12 is ito. And ito. So, the number is 0.0478. So, ang ilalagay natin is 0.0478. And 0.5 minus 0.0478 is 0.4522. So, this is your area. Area to the right of z is equal to 0.12. And next, we proceed with the area between two numbers. Okay? So, you have z is equal to negative 1.14. So, nandito si negative 1.14. And z is equal to negative 0.22. So, nandito naman si 0.22. Okay? So, ang kailangan is between, sa pagitan. So, itong part na to. Okay? There. So, negative 1.14 hanggang negative 0.22. So, anong gagawin natin dito? Kailangan natin kunin yung area dito ng 1.14 tsaka ng 0.22. So, 1.14, ang makikita natin is, yung area nito is 1.14. Ito. 0.3729. And then, sa 0.22, ang area naman nito is ito. So, 0.0871. Ngayon, makikita natin na tamaan ba natin si 0? Hindi. Okay? Kapag between ng usapan, ang ima-minus natin yung dalawang nakuha natin. So, ima-minus natin itong dalawa. So, 0.3729 minus 0.0871, that would be, so 0.2858. So, this is now your area. And next, we proceed with the next example. Sabi dito, between 0.14 and z is equal to 1.22. So, ilocate lang natin si 0.14 muna. So, nandito si 0.14. And nandito naman si 1.22. Okay? So, i-shade lang natin yung area na yan para lang mas malinaw sa atin. The first question now is, natamaan ba yung line ng 0? So, makikita natin dito na hindi. Okay? Pangalawa is, ano yung area kapag z is equal to 0.14? Kapag z is equal to 0.14, ito siya. So, 0.0557. Okay? And kapag naman z is 1.22, the area is 0.3888. And then we need to subtract them. Subtract them because hindi kasama si 0 sa shaded part. Yung part na to. Okay? And ang makukuha natin na difference dito or yung pag sinubtract natin sila, okay, makukuha natin actually si negative 0.3331. Pero ang kailangan lang natin is the positive part. Okay? Ang area natin is always positive kapag dating dito. Wala tayong negative na area dito. Okay? So, positive 0.3331. Kunin lang natin yung positive na part. So, again, the area is 0.3331. And lastly, we're given z is equal to negative 0.31 and 0.17. So, kailangan nating makuha is yung area between those two. So, nandito si 0.31, negative 0.31 rather, At nandito naman si 0.17. And then we need to shade them. Okay, the question now is, natamaan ba si 0, yung line na may 0? Okay? Obviously, natamaan siya. Kapag natamaan siya, ano yung operation natin? So that would be addition. Okay? So hanapin lang muna natin yung area kapag z is equal to negative 0.31. Kapag z is equal to negative 0.31, yung area natin is 0.1217. And kapag z is 0.17, ang area natin is 0.0675. If we add them, we'll get 0.1892. And this is now your area. The area between z is equal to negative 0.31 and z is equal to 0.17. That's it. Thank you for listening.